Today I'm going to show you how to turn an old pair of pants you no longer wear into a half-circle handbag, just like this one. It has a super large capacity and comes with 2 small inner pockets. Let's start now. Last time, we used one leg. This time, we'll use the other leg. After opening it up, cut 2 pieces of outer fabric that are 30 by 20 centimeters. Once both pieces are cut, fold them like this. Fold this piece the same way, face to face. Once folded, cut this edge into a rounded corner. After cutting, it will look like this. Then cut a piece of batting 1 centimeter smaller and stick it on. After ironing the batting onto the outer fabric, cut 2 lining pieces of the same size. This is the base, 12 centimeters wide and 48 centimeters long. Similarly, iron on the fusible batting, 1 piece each for the outer fabric and the lining fabric. Zipper fabric, length 42.6 centimeters, 2 pieces of outer fabric, 2 pieces of lining fabric. This is a pocket of the lining fabric. We fold up the top edge like this, then sew the top edge first, then align the bottom edge. Align the sides as well. Sew down the middle, leaving some allowance on both sides. Cut 2 straps each 70 centimeters long and 8 centimeters wide. Fold them like this, then fold again. Fold it up like this. After attaching the strap to the vehicle number, fold it in half like this with 23 centimeters in the middle and then attach it to the vehicle like this. The same method for the other strap. After sewing the strap, fold the bag body to find the center point. From the center point, go 9 centimeters to each side. Attach the strap, place it inward from 9 centimeters and then sew it on. After the bag was set, I sewed on a decorative label. The next step is to take this fabric, fix it like this on the outer fabric, and sew the pocket on the other piece. Use the same method to sew it like this. And after sewing, fold the excess like this, and then press it with an iron. After ironing the pocket of the lining fabric, it's like this. Seal the bottom like this, and then the next step is to place the lining fabric and the outer fabric face to face like this, and sew around. Once the outer fabric and lining fabric are sewn together, we set it aside for later use. The next step is to attach the zipper, with the front of the zipper facing the front of the outer fabric, and the front of the lining fabric facing the back of the zipper, and sew it like this. After sewing it, turn it to the right side, and sew a top stitch on it. Do the same on the other side. After attaching the zipper, secure the outer sides and attach 2 small tabs on both sides. Next, take out the base and place them face to face, with the decorative fabric facing the back of the zipper, and sew them together. The other side is the same. After sewing the zipper and the base together, we secure the base's decorative fabric and outer fabric like this. After the base is secured, fold it in half to find the center point and make a mark. Do the same for the top edge of the zipper. Next, take out the bag body. Similarly, mark the center point on the bag body on both sides. Then align the center points and sew around face to face. This way, our side is done, and we will do the same on the other side. Look at this area. It is very thick, and this machine can handle it easily. Now adjust our machine to the curve seam. Set the stitch length to 1. In this round of our bag gusset, use the curve seam to lock the edge, or you can use a binding strip to wrap it. Looking at our curve lock, this is the effect. This machine has strong functions and is worth recommending. On this side, with the same method, we transform pants into a bag. The inside has a super large capacity. It has a very large capacity, and there are 2 inner pockets to carry things when going out.